welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. In this video I'm going to solve an IELTS writing task 2 which is opinion based. The task is mental strength important for success in sport, or is it more important to be strong and fit for success in sport? Discuss both views and give your opinion. So such kind of a task is known as opinion based task, in which you have to discuss two contrast views, and after discussing them you have to give your own opinion. It's better for you that you should give your opinion or mention your opinion in the introduction, so that examiner can have idea what are you going to write about. So the task is about two different views, contrasting views, and about your opinion. So let's attempt this task, and I show you what kind of skills or what kind of rough preparation you have to make first. So first of all, is mental strength, underline this word, mental strength, important for success in sport, or is it more important to be strong and fit for success? So these two things, mental strength and physical strength or physical fitness, both are factors to get success in sport. So these two words can be paraphrased as factors in success of sports. So first of all, I like to write a hook statement, and that will be based upon the factors that are required to get success in sports. So the introduction will be like this: the factors contributing to performance in sport are continually means regularly, continually being investigated mean found or researched, investigated by whom? Sports scientists, and athletes. Athletes are the persons who are associated with sports. While some people would argue that a person's physical attributes means physical features or physical qualities, determines their level of performance in sport. So this is one view. The one view says that some people would argue that person's physical strength, like his body measurements, his power, fitness, they are essential in in improving their performance in sport, while I believe that mental conditioning is also highly vital factor. So both views are discussed here. I believe that, this is my personal opinion, mental conditioning is also highly vital factor. It means that as a writer I am agree on both kind of views, physical strength as well as mental strength, both are required. So whenever you attempt an essay where you have to contrast views, you can discuss both views and choose one side, or you can choose the features of both. Here I am attempting to choose the main features or attributes of both statements, because I believe that both things are needed in every kind of sport. So let me read introduction once again. The factors here means mental strength and fitness. These are the two factors. The factors contributing means play a role. to performance in sport are in sport are continually being investigated by sports scientists and athletes. This line you can change according to your views. Like this task can also be started like that. Often people debate that what is more important to get success in sports. Is it the mental factors, mental strength, or physical factors or physical strength? In this essay, I am going to discuss about both, and in the final, I will give my own opinion. So, in this kind of introduction, your opinion will come at the last. But here, this is the better introduction because your opinion has been given in the introduction. Now, I am going to attempt the first body para. So look at, it is undeniable to say that person's physical characteristics means it's a strength, person's strength, height and endurance, stamina play a major role in their performance in sport. So this first view is about physical characteristics, and the opposite view is mental strength, that will be our BP para 2, body para 2. So after writing this thesis statement, you require to extend your point, because if you leave your point at this sentence only, then you are going to lose your marks. You have to further explain this. So you will write that in some sports, yeah, you will say that in other words, it means that now you are going to extend your thesis, your statement. So you will provide additional information. In other words, in some sports, being able to run extremely fast, comma, then you will write other point, or throw something very heavy, is one of the main aspects of the sport. There are so many aspects, but this is the one of the main aspect, is one of the main aspect sport. For example, you can write over here, like in football, players have to run a lot all the time in the ground, or in hockey, cricket, excessive running is there, and in the games like throwing balls, you need muscular strength. So let's do BP para 1 once again. On the one hand, it is undeniable. Undeniable means we cannot deny, we cannot ignore. It is undeniable to say that a person's physical characteristics play a major role in their performance in sport. In other words, now I am extending this point. In some sports, being able to run extremely fast, throw something very heavy is one of the main aspect of sport. Without a strong physical body and a high level of endurance, people would not be able to perform at high level. For instance, means now I am giving an example. In football, all the players need to have strong legs and stamina. Another example is of weightlifter who needs great muscular strength. Now I am going to write body para 2, that is about mental strength, means other view. However, this is necessary linking word to connect the opposite paragraphs. So this word is very essential here. Some people like on the other hand, or however, or but. However, high levels of strength and fitness are not the only factor that allows player to perform well. So this sentence is in the contradiction of previous idea that I already mentioned in BP Para 1. Now I am going to suggest about how mental strength equally important in sports. To be able to perform consistently and perform at very high level, athletes also need to be mentally strong. Professional athletes in particular need to have the determination and focus to get well trained and perform for many years. To further strengthen my point, I write that they may face certain setbacks such as injuries, physical injuries, and loss in competition. Being able to mentally focus and concentrate whilst under pressure during a competition is also extremely important. For example, keeping cool and mentally alert is very important when thousands of fans are shouting and hooting in the stadium and a player has to kick football for a winning goal in the final moments of the match. So this all example shows that how mental strength is important when there is a critical situations or final moments, or the situation is that if you make any silly mistake you will lose the match. So at that time when there is too much pressure on a player, mental strength and mental posture, these are the two things that are needed at that time. So while writing conclusion, one must take care that the kind of idea he or she has expressed in introduction, the kind of planning that has been shown in the introduction, that should be similar to the conclusion. Means conclusion should be according to the introduction. In conclusion, although physical strength and ability are highly important in sports performance, mental strength and focus, means other view, second view, also play an important role. So this is the central idea of BP1, and this is mental strength and focus also important. This is BP2. Particularly when it comes to elite athletes. Elite athletes means very popular, famous athletes and high level of performance and competition. So let's read once again. In conclusion, although physical strength and ability are highly important in sports performance, mental strength and focus also play an important role, particularly when it comes to elite athletes and high level of performance and competition. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you understood how to write opinion based essay when there are two contrast views are given.